Hello, beautiful people. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Move Your Body. The song is Move Your Body by the ISLEY brother, and the choreography for is unknown. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you want to learn the step-by-step instructions, please watch till the end and click on this video, and let's go. you go. Move your body. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.